Hello. So a package just arrived today, and that is some microphones that I got from my phone because I don't think the audio on this phone is very good. So I got myself a wireless USB microphone. I can't remember the name of it, but let's go ahead and open up this box. So here we go, professional wireless microphone, or Hot TC. I thought it was this other brand, but never mind about that. Let's test it out. And here we have it. We have this for the Android, for this plugin, for Apple iPhones, a couple of clips to put on your shirt, wherever you want it to be, USB charger, and then 2 microphones. Now I'm gonna hook this one up and see if you can let me know which sounds better, like the microphone from my phone or coming from this one. So this is what I currently sound like now, and here is what it sounds like with the mic. So this is what it sounds like with the microphone. The green light indicates that it's plugged in and everything should be functioning. So moving forward, if this sounds better, I'm going to start using this wireless mic because I have a feeling it'll work better. Alright, so I had the microphone clipped to my shirt, but it wants to go sideways, so I kind of have to hold it up like this. I apologize for the brightness. I'm just outside of my house now, and I'm going to try a different method. Hold on a minute. Okay, so I have the microphone right here up to my glasses, which until I get like a shirt or some other way to hold the microphone, it actually fits perfectly right here. So I just want to test it out, see how it sounds. So I'm just walking about outside of my house, and then I'm also going to test it out without the mic. I'm just trying to see if you can hear any feedback. So I'll just stay quiet for a minute and just walk around a bit. It's pretty nice out here today. I'm not much of an outdoors person, but I should get out more often, so. Okay, and now I'm gonna unplug the wireless mic and see how it sounds. So now I just unplugged the adapter to my phone. You should just be hearing my microphone, and a bug flew in my eye. Okay, that's always nice. And now I'm going to stay quiet for a moment to see if you can hear the outside. So again, let me know in the comments if this microphone sounds good, and if I should keep it, or if I just should, or I can't speak, or I should find another microphone. And I hope you all are having a great day. This is Alex Harper, aka AlGamer47, signing off.